Hi, I'm Gabby, and this is Good Appetite. Today we're going to be making a seared red snapper with a rainbow carrot salad and a pesto to highlight the theme of seasonality. So, seasonality is the practice of eating food when it's most ripe and when it's normally harvested. And in this case, we're using carrots, which are at their peak in the fall. But we're also using parsley, lemon, and garlic, which are found year-round. And we're also using some locally caught red snapper. So we're going to sear this red snapper, make sure the skin is nice and crispy. We're going to shave these carrots to make a nice, fresh, raw salad. And then we're going to make a pesto with the remaining ingredients to add a little extra flavor. This is going to be really delicious, and I'm very excited to make this for you guys. With that being said, let's get started.